Are you feeling stupid? Or not confident about yourself? Or maybe you are a hypocrite? Well, this story is for you. Hello, my name is Abhiananda Naradi. I'm from S10 class. Today, I would like to tell you the synopsis of my story. 180 degrees different from you. Before we enter the story, let's meet our main character, Cindy. Cindy is the most stupid person in her class, but he friend with Ika. He has anything and he himself not have anything. Cindy also obsessed with the smartest and genius guy in her school named Nico. One day, he asked Ika how to be like him. Ika answered, "Why would you ask?" And the story begins. Wanna know the story? Enjoy!